I up the above, God bless, love.
I up the above.
Peace.
Love.
Yes.
Peace, respect.
Yes.
It's gonna be crazy. Hey, be careful enough.
What is up, viewers? What is up, my subscribers? How are you all doing? Now, tonight we are going to do another reaction to Diana Ankudinova, but this time she was 10-year-old performing Oh Darling. So I want to see if she's gonna surprise me with the age she have now. Back then she was 10, but now she grows with this singing melody. Yes, so people, thank you so much for tuning in. Welcome to my channel. I'm a Jamaican and I love to hear the voice of Diana Ankudinova and many others like she. So if you're new and if you like my Jamaican accent and if you like us as Jamaicans, please remember, hit the subscribe button, turn that post notification bell on so you guys won't miss a thing whenever time I release a video. If you like dancehall music, hit hashtag. If you like reggae music as well, hit hashtag. It's down in the description. You guys can able to check it out. So without further ado, my peeps, let us jump into the Diana Ankudinova reaction. Okay guys, we're gonna go into our performance now. There is no way Diana is 10 and have such beautiful voice at this age. There is no goddamn way. Nope, this is not Diana. I think this is Diana's sister. This is Diana Ankudinova's younger sister, because if she was 10-year-old and she have this kind of voice, it's fabulous, I gotta say. 10-year-old and she's doing so great. Whoa, I gotta say she's magnificent. I think this is a mistake. They are mistaking Diana Ankudinova for somebody else, because this voice that she has at this moment was to die for. I gotta admit, I feel every moment that she sings in her performance, but this one was the best. Wow. Wow, you guys heard that? She went from this to this skyrocketedly. She did it. She racked up the stage. She racked up her performance. I gotta admit, she is doing fabulous. Guys, I am so happy. I love this girl. I love this girl. I love this girl. Whoa! Girl, I gotta say, I'm absolutely proud. Your voice is so cool, your voice is so relaxing. It's like chilling on the beach on a Sunday morning with a cool glass of lemonade, and you're killing it vibe there. Whoa. High props. She touched that note. I could feel the chills. God damn, she's good. Woo! 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 Keep it calm, keep it calm. She's gifted. At this age, she was gifted. She was gifted. God bless her. She's a blessed person. She's a blessed individual, I gotta say. Amen. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Amen. Thanks be to God. Her voice is so goddamn good at this age. Wow. Amen to God. I have to give thanks. I have to. Wow. That's so sick. That's literally sick. Brilliant performance. Brilliant performance. I love it. Never a dull moment. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Let me know in the comment section which Diana Ankudinova song you want me to react to next. I will surely do it for you guys. Yeah. So it's a boy Kim and I'm out.